Hi Professor, my name is Priya Soni and this is my final project presentation for SWENG 861 Software Construction. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through my quiz game web application, which is a lightweight interactive quiz that was built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and JSON and deployed locally with Docker. The goal of this project was to design, develop, and deploy a complete web application that showcases the skills we learned in this class. I chose to build a quiz game because it's simple yet demonstrates many key software construction concepts such as user interaction, state management, front-end design, and deployment. My success criteria were to build a functional quiz with 10 dynamic questions, allows users to choose categories and track their progress, provide real-time feedback and a final score, and to keep the code well organized, maintainable, and documented. So here's a quick look at the project's architecture. The index.html builds the structure and contains three main sections: the home screen, quiz interface, and results page. Style CSS handles all the design, layout, and theming, including a responsive layout and dark mode. App.js is the brain of the application. It basically manages question loading, answer checking, scoring, and navigating between states. Questions.json is the data layer that stores quiz questions and answers in three categories: travel, sports, and food. And finally, a Docker file packages the app, ensuring consistent deployment in any environment. So here's how the app works from a user's perspective. The home screen lets the user choose a category and start the quiz. During the quiz, the user answers 10 multiple choice questions with a visible progress bar, and it gives them instant feedback. When the answer is correct, a confetti animation appears for a more engaging experience. At the end, the results page shows the final score and percentage, allowing a history of past attempts, which are stored in the local storage. Users can then play again or go back to the home screen. The flow is pretty simple, but it demonstrates event handling, DOM manipulation, and it gives a dynamic UI update. So here are a few screenshots of the application in action. The home page on the top left features a fun and interactive landing screen where users can select their categories. During the quiz phase, which is the bottom image, you can see the question text, the multiple choice option, and the progress bar at the top. The results screen, which is the top right, displays the final score and gives users options to either replay or return back home. These screenshots demonstrate the clean UI and innovative flow that I focused on when designing the web app. During the development, I faced a few interesting challenges. Some of them were managing state transitions between different screens because it was a bit tricky at first. Implementing instant feedback without page reloads required careful event handling. And then, of course, debugging JSON and dynamic rendering took a few iterations. Beyond the base requirements, though, I also added a few bonus features: a dark mode toggle for accessibility, a confetti animation for correct answers, and a score history tracker so users can monitor their performance over time. These enhancements, I believe, made the app more polished and user-friendly and fun. In conclusion, this project allowed me to apply everything that we learned in this class, from front-end development and dynamic UI updates to containerization and deployment. Building this quiz app taught me how to organize code, manage the states, and deliver an interactive user experience from scratch. In the future, I'd actually love to expand this project with features like a timed quiz, difficulty levels, and even a leadership board. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed exploring my quiz game project. Thank you.